Hello guys, this is Ajay. You watching Ajiro. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap on bell icon for instant update notifications. Today I am going to show you the unboxing video of Redmi Note 5 Pro, and this comes out of 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage, and the price quoted on the box is 17,999 Indian rupees. And the box containing one SIM ejector pin and the power brick, as well as data transfer cable and some other leaflets with warranty card, and there is a branding with made in India, MI Xiaomi. This Redmi Note 5 Pro, and screen having 5.99 inches and 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera, 636 Snapdragon with the 4000 mAh of battery to this Redmi Note 5 Pro. And there is some other details about the camera. We'll be talking about the later of this video, and let's unbox. And this phone has in the flash sale. This flash sale will be at 12 noon. 12 p.m. exactly on Filpkart exclusively, and link in my description. Please check out if you are interested to buy or interested to. And this phone having 4 color variants, which are gold, and this is the gold variant, which is unboxing by me, and there are other 3 colors are black, blue, sky blue, metal sky blue, and other one is rose gold. And this phone containing silicone case for the protection, and the other vendors like Xiaomi. And this is the phone which is in the box, Redmi Note 5 Pro. And these cameras are dual camera setup. One is 12 megapixel regular camera and the 5 megapixel Samsung sensor, and 12 megapixels is Sony sensor exclusively for the Redmi Note 5 Pro. And the bottom of the phone we having mono speaker with the micro USB and the main mic and 3.5mm jack, and the side there is a SIM slot and the upper side of the phone is IR blaster with the secondary noise cancellation, and the side of the phone with the power button and volume rockers, and the back of the camera. Okay, keep it at side, and let's look into the box. These main leaflet from the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, and what are the instructions on the SIM. And there is a 2 nano SIM setup with the hybrid technology, and there is a warranty card for the phone and the other accessories in the box. Let me keep aside. Okay, and these micro USB to USB transfer data cable. Yeah, quality was not right, but okay, something. And this power brick with 5. Let me zoom in. 1 minute. And output was 5 volt at 2 amperes. This is not fast charging, but does phone supports fast charging. If you are having the fast charging, keep it check if the phone what's the time taking by the fast charging. And this is the SIM ejector from SIM slot. Let me show you. Yeah, this is one. Let me open the SIM slot. Yeah, it's left side on the device. Let me show you. And these, let me show. Yeah, this is a hybrid SIM slot with the 2 nano SIMs or 1 micro SD and 1 nano SIM. Yeah, this SIM slot is made up of plastic but in the good condition. I mean, the good quality one used Xiaomi. Let me close it. Yeah. Let me power on Xiaomi mobile. I mean Redmi Note 5 Pro. And this phone let me and this is the phone with 18:9 aspect ratio with 5.99 inches screen TFT display, not a Super AMOLED, and there is a team setup on the booting because are limited. Default is battery limited.